Good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome back to the channel. I am here on Waterloo Road in Blackpool, and as you can see, we finally have a demolition going on. Yes, Blackpool ambulance station is now coming down. I always thought this was actually concrete fronted in areas, and it's not. It's like fiberglass. It's changing the heads on the machine. Look at this. How cool is this? Oh my god, how cool is that? If you've never watched that before, you have now. Okay, so anyway, it is now nearly 1 o'clock in the afternoon. This process started at 8 a.m. this morning, so I think they're all going for lunch now. And I have to run an errand over to St Anne's. So I'll see if we can get a couple more pictures later on, but I'll also add some more footage tomorrow morning. So yeah, it looks like they're all going for lunch now, so we'll leave it at that just for the time being. So this is Thursday morning. I think it's the 6th of January. Pretty sure it is. And it is a mixture of rain, sleet, snow. And I'm just behind the ambulance station here in Blackpool on Waterloo Road, just so I can do a quick update on where they're up to. So as you can see, they are pretty much at the back, excuse the umbrella, they are pretty much at the back of these buildings now. So there's not a lot left to go, it's looking pretty good. So everything has been piled up, all ready for recycling. All the different metals are in different piles. Look at this. Wow. So yeah, as you can see now, the toilet block has gone from up top, and the offices and everything on that little section there. And of course over here is where they used to do MOTs and maintenance of the ambulances. It is absolutely freezing today. Got steam coming off my breath here. So not funny.